Hello and welcome. I am Professor Josna Khedkar from PSG VPM's Institute of Pharmacy, Shahada. And in this video, I am going to discuss about epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues, also known as epithelium. This epithelium covers the internal or external surface of body or organ. There are two main types of epithelium, that is simple epithelium and compound epithelium. The epithelium performs various functions like protection, adsorption, excretion, secretion, filtration and sensory reception. So these all are the epithelial tissues of our body. So first type of epithelium is simple epithelium. This simple epithelium having the cells of tissue are found in single layer attached to basement membrane. So simple epithelium, the first type of simple epithelium is simple squamous epithelium. This simple squamous epithelium having flat or plate-like cells joined with each other forming a thin layer, and the cells having horizontal, flattened, elliptic nuclei, and the entire layer is rest on basement membrane. The simple squamous epithelium found in Bowman's capsule of kidney, internal lining of blood vessels, membranous labyrinth of internal ear, alveoli of lungs, lining of mouth, heart and lungs, outer layer of the skin. Simple epithelium, simple squamous epithelium performs various functions like filtration and diffusion to allow the passage of materials by diffusion and filtration. Second function is secretion, secretion of lubricating substances. Third function is protection, to protect underlying tissue from mechanical injury, harmful chemicals, invading bacteria and from excessive loss of water. So this is the diagram of simple squamous epithelium. Second type is simple cuboidal epithelium, in which the cells in these tissues has cube-like shapes and the nucleus of the cell is having a spherical and located in the center. These cuboidal epithelium found in the ducts and secretory portion of glands, the lining of the uriniferous tubule of kidneys, then ducts of internal ear and ovary surface. Functions, it perform the functions like protection, secretion and absorption. So this is the diagram of simple cuboidal epithelium. Third type of epithelium is simple columnar epithelium, in which the cells in these tissues appear like columns. That's why it is called as a columnar epithelium. And cells contain oval nucleus near the base. And there are two types of columnar epithelium, that is, first type is ciliated columnar epithelium and second is non-ciliated columnar epithelium. In ciliated columnar epithelium, on the apical surface cilia is present and In non-ciliated variety, cilia is absent. This simple columnar epithelium found in lining of alimentary canal, that is small and large intestine, stomach, rectum, and in gall bladder, excretory part of some glands, then air passages like the nose and alveoli. It is also found in the uterus and fallopian tubes of females. Functions of columnar epithelium. First function is protection of underlying organs. Second function, secretion to secrete specific substances such as enzymes and hormones. Third function is absorption. Fourth function is the movement of cilia propel the ovum to the uterus. So this is the ciliated columnar epithelium, in which cilia is present at the apical layer, and this is the non-ciliated columnar epithelium. Fourth type of simple epithelium is pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Epithelium with single layer of columnar cells with different heights. Nucleus of the cells are at different levels, and the cells may contain goblet cells and bear a cilia. These pseudo-stratified columnar epitheliums are found in ciliated variety in trachea and airways of most of the upper respiratory tract, and non-ciliated variety in males' sperm carrying ducts and ducts of large glands. Functions. First function, secretion of mucus. Second function, propulsion of mucus by ciliary actions. So this is the pseudo-stratified columnar epithelium. Second type of epithelium is compound epithelium, in which the stratified squamous epithelium. So this tissue is made up of several layers. Compound epithelium means the layers of cells is multiple. Then flat squamous cells form apical layer of the tissue, which may be keratinized. Deep layer of tissues is made up of cuboidal or columnar cells, and the deeper cells are metabolically active and forms germinative layers. The cells of germinative layers multiply and replace the cells of apical layers. These stratified squamous epithelium found in non-keratinized form present in lining of esophagus and vagina, and keratinized form is found in outer layer of the skin. Its function is protection of underlying organs. So this is the stratified squamous epithelium. Second type of compound epithelium is transitional epithelium, in which the appearance of cells variable in this type of tissue. So shape of cells ranges from squamous to cuboidal, and tissue is made up of thinner cells with more elasticity. This transitional epithelium are found in, that is, they lines the urinary bladder, uterus and urethra. Functions: stretches readily and permits distension of primary organs by contained urine. So this is the transitional epithelium. So in this video we have seen about the different types of epithelium or epithelial tissues. So thank you.